everyone, welcome to a new episode of DIY course on flower making, and this is brought to you by What's Your Hobby. This is the second tutorial video in a module dedicated to flowers from foam sheets. In this episode, let's learn how to easily make these two beautiful flowers from foam sheet. We'll now take a look at the materials required. So to make this flower, you will need only foam sheets, a sharp pair of scissors and glue gun. You can also use a marker if you think it will help you draw some outlines. The first step is to cut out some circles from the foam sheet. I have used circles of diameter 4.5 cm. Start arranging the circles side by side in a straight line as shown. And I have made around 12 such circles. Now let's use the next 6 circles to make another line. I have allowed it to dry properly, and now let me tidy up these rose petals by removing the glue stuck to it. It is pretty easy to remove these glue patches from your foam sheets. Now let's start rolling this strip. Make the innermost loop very thin and apply glue in between to make it easy for you. So one strip is rolled up and I'm going to keep it aside while I make the next one. And here are some quick tips for you. The tip number 1 is to leave the rolls aside for 2 to 3 minutes for the glue to dry properly. And the tip number 2 is don't forget to remove the glue stuck to it. Now I think the glue has perfectly dried and the flowers are just a step away from ready. Let's cut these two in the middle now. You can use either a scissors or a sharp paper cutter. I'm going to use a paper knife like this. I really hope that you all love the first flower. Now let's learn to make one more flower in this episode. For this design too, you will need just foam sheet, scissors, paper knife, marker, a ruler and a glue gun. Leave 2 markings at 1 cm gap using the ruler and the pen at both the ends. The length of these lines that I'm using is 30 cm, and then you have to cut out the rectangular strip. Ensure that you leave the strip uncut at one end. Now start braiding the strips. Let me slow down the video for you to follow the braiding. Apply glue and seal the other end of the strip and cut away any extra at the end of the strip. Apply some glue to make a small bend. Now we are going to apply some glue and then we start drawing to make a beautiful yellow rose. You have to make the innermost loop very thin and then apply glue in between to make it easy for you. Now seal the ends and the beautiful yellow rose is all ready. I hope that you all loved these two simple rose designs. So see you all in a new video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.